Oh, that's not good. Ha! That's not good at all, as a matter of fact. Huh? I think your tire fell off, but I'm not for sure, guys. And hey. I want to make double. We don't sell that. Well, I fucking want one anyways. Bing, ding, 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 ding. That's funny. Bum. Well, this is super duper exciting. Or no. I can only imagine. We pull up the drive-thru and be like, what the fuck? You gotta want fucking Taco Bell really bad to sit in a fucking drive-thru. I was about to kill switch you when we were going down the road.
Were you?
Yes.
I didn't mean to grab your arm like that.
Yeah, you're like, fuck. I was like, fuck.
I meant just to slap you when my fingers like stayed.
Yeah, I noticed that. But yeah, I was about to fucking kill switch you because you're like, bah, and you fucking got over close to me. I was like, But I figured that'd be fucked up, so I didn't do that.
Oh, on this, I want to cut a slit right there.
Uh-huh. Oh, really?
I think it'll be pretty.
Oh, that's fucking hilarious. This guy's probably dying right now. We want a Taco Bell really bad. No, I'm good. Thank you. Okay. And we're off. It's a winker. That was... He noticed it too, that's fucking funny. Oh my god. So I just kill switched him and he's... After telling him the story of how I was going to kill switch him, I was still able to manage the kill switch at the green light. And it was pretty damn funny. matter of fact, that was really funny. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And everybody needs to go through Taco Bell once or twice in their life on their motorcycle, because people are like, what the hell? Alright guys, ow! Later.